First of all, I'd like to congratulate the Odisha government for hosting the 28th Asian Teams Championship event. I think it's a fantastic event to have, and we need many more states to do this. As we all know, that Odisha is a real role model for many of the other Indian states. And we are all here for the same purpose, that is to promote table tennis, what best can be done. So once again, thank you for having me, and keep doing all the good work, Odisha government. This is a fantastic statement that we have made, and I'm sure there is much more to follow over here. And this is not only a personal encouragement for me, but for many of us, how we can promote this game, how we can do this so well, and really ensure that India as a country is a proud country, a sporting nation, just in sync with the Prime Minister's dream of Kheloge to Khiloge. The Kalinga Stadium is a real model for the rest of India to know how high performance center is set up. I know over here there are more than 10 disciplines. So it's really like a menu card, where you can pick and choose which sport you want to play. And so many high performance centers which are being run by stalwarts of Indian sports. So I think it's a fantastic discipline, and I hope many more athletes take advantage of this fantastic facility. The Dani Foundation, Dani family, and I are personally passionate about sports. And within that also, we love table tennis as well. So we are committed to do a lot more in table tennis, and we are looking forward to do something with even the Odisha government. I think with the rest of the work that is happening in this state, I'm sure, and I hope we can make a difference in the world of table tennis in Odisha. During this visit, I have learned that the Odisha government supports table tennis and promotes table tennis in a huge way. There are 2 academies with 16 tables each, and that's a big number to start with. More than that, they have the multi-purpose indoor stadiums, which 3 tables each, and 30 of them. So this comes to a huge number of almost 2,000 players. And once again, I'm sure this will be the seeding ground for India to, have talent hunt and create fantastic players for the future. So really, my congratulations to the Odisha government. And this is just the beginning.